if you want to remove spaces using find and replace in Microsoft Excel, I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. So follow me and don't miss a step. So you'll see on the left hand side I've got categories, and I have a few items over here that have more than one space. It just looks untidy, and this could be a result of importing data and having it change format. So this is the result. So what we're going to do is we're going to click down, drag over the area that we want to find and replace. What we're going to do now, making sure that our ribbon item is selected on home, we're going to go over to the right hand side and look for the editing tab, and here we'll look for find and select, and we will click on the replace icon. Here you will go, and in the find what, you will enter a double space. Right now, the reason you want to enter double space is because you are going to do this over a few times so that you can remove anything more than one single space. In the replace with, you will find that you can enter one single space. So essentially what you're doing is you're taking double spaces and you're replacing it with one single space. Now, if you've used find and replace, and you will find here that your saved changes will still be imminent. So what we want to do from here is we want to click on replace all. Now, you do have some additional options such as the sheet that you're working in, and you can also search by rows or look in specific formulas. What we want to do is click on replace all, and when I click on replace all, I want you to see how this format changes. So it's only removed one space at a time, and it's replaced it with a single space. We're going to say OK, and we can repeat the process, and again and again. Now, the last time you'll do it, it says we couldn't find anything to replace, and that is the message or the pop-up that you want. We're going to go OK and close, and here you will see all of this has just one single space in between it. Now, if this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time, people. Peace out.